Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's take a look at the micro S&P today. This is going to look very similar to the regular mini or E-mini S&P as well. Charts are fairly similar. Volume might be a bit different though. Currently on this daily candle, we are looking at not much more than a gravestone doji. And if it does go a little bit lower, as it's looking to do right now, we may end up with an upside down hammer. But whether it's an upside down hammer or a gravestone doji at the end of this trading period, either of those are very bearish. What that means is this worked its way up, 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 spiked up today. And then you can just see just super wicky price action. So came all the way back down, could not sustain that high way up here, which was 4933.25. And again, this is S&P futures, well, micro. And it is currently working its way back down. You can see the ticks have just been kind of cruising down, had a little bit of a ramp up, but couldn't even get much higher than the zero line. So that's not super strong. We'll see what happens from here on out. But what would I do if I was long this thing? Well, based on this super bearish candle, and if tomorrow's price action works its way down from here, it would also be a really nice looking fractal. So if that is the case and you happen to be long because you were playing this whole little move or any part of that, you may want to bump up your stop, just protect some of your profit. Otherwise, if you are looking to get into something, like I said, this is a super bearish indication. So you may want to just hold on a second, be patient, and wait and see if this is going to work its way down a little bit. Now, much, much, much longer term, everything still is looking higher above the cloud, above the parabolic SAR, the turning line, and the standard line. Lagging line looks really good to the high side. So everything is still up, but depending on your time frame of how quickly you enter and exit trades, that is going to make all the difference in the world. As a reminder, Apex has yet another 80% off sale going on now. They are offering once again the pass in one day option. Well, not an option. If you pass in one day, you pass. That's what that means. This bears repeating. While it's a great opportunity for some of you, unless you're trading like you normally would trade, I would recommend you don't try to like just win the lottery and, sling huge risks and go crazy just to pass in one day. Why? Because then even if you do pass in one day, if the markets are in your favor that day, that's awesome. But if you don't have the skill set to sustain that, what will end up happening is you'll pass, yay, congrats. You'll pay for your PA, your funded account. Great. You'll start trading that. But like I said, if you don't have the skill set to maintain that, then you're going to end up just failing that funded account. And you would have spent a lot more money doing it that way than if you were just patiently working your way up to be able to sustainably trade profitably on, one or however many multiple accounts that you want, doing it, the way that you normally trade, not trying to hit a grand slam home run today or tomorrow. Definitely take advantage of the 80% off, but just trade carefully, trade patiently, trade disciplined, and see if you can get to that funded trader status. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.